Good Friday morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia with Young40Mom Crafts, also known as Young40Mom. Keeping it real, Young40Mom RAW. All kinds of stuff that I am. Oh my goodness. I am going to go get some coffee because I have not had my coffee this morning. I was going to show you guys that pile right there. That's my little wood area. There's a pile right in the middle back there of the kitty litter that I told y'all about the other day. That you can't see. That you wouldn't even know it was there. But anyway, my carport is slowly but surely being thrown away. Now here's the thing, my neighbors, they have a covered carport as well. It doesn't connect to their house like mine does, but they have one. Now on their carport on one side, they have metal sheeting that covers, we're going to go a different way today, metal sheeting that covers their carport so the landlord can't see what's on their carport. Not really, because it's too dark. But they have more junk and garbage than I ever could have on mine. I just had a little tiny pile that would have taken maybe half a truckload, of which I've tried to hire 2 different people over the past couple of years to haul this stuff off for me. And, oh, yeah, we'll do it for you. Oh, no, we're not going to charge you, blah, blah, blah. Never did it. Whatever. Gave my rodeo away for someone to do it. And they didn't do it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm taking care of it myself. But that's okay. Me and my broke down body. Did not want to get up this morning. But we're going to go to Speedway. We're going to get a large 24-ounce Colombian coffee. I'm going to get some Lay's pickle chips for later. Now here's what's funny about the pickle chip situation with me. Lay's pickle chips are vegan. Their brand of pickle chips has milk solids. What do you need milk solids for? And there's salt and vinegar, and I think salt and vinegar, either the Lay's salt and vinegar, or maybe it's not the Lay's. I know there's other brands of salt and vinegar chips. I look at them, and I can't have them because they have milk. It says contains milk. It's milk solids is what it is. It's like, why? What do you need that for salt and vinegar chips? I don't get it. Unless they use it in the mist or whatever that is they do, or they dunk it in it. They need the extra protein to adhere the salt and vinegar to the chips. I don't know. But you would think something like that. Now, Lay's, is it Lay's barbecue chips? I think it is. Lay's plain barbecue chips. Now, those are vegan. That car was awfully close to my bumper. Dang it. I wanted to go. Oh, man, I could have gone. If it weren't for that stupid car getting so close to my front bumper, I would have had a chance to go. I'm going. Woo. Yeah, traffic's bad right there at that intersection. Y'all don't want to see that median, do you? Let me see if I can get you moved over without bumping the camera to where it's going to fall down. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, so welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing once you listen to hear what I've got to say. And if you are a subscriber and you're a member of my community, thank you so much for coming back. I really enjoy listening to your comments, or I say listening to your comments because in my head, I'm imagining your voices when I read the comments. You get to hear mine, so you hear my comments because you get to hear me and see me on film. I say film, it's not film anymore, it's all digital, right? On camera, we'll say camera. But anyway, so my manager's not going to be there today. And, oh my gosh, lost my train of thought. Ugh, it's Friday. Manager's not going to be there today. And then Brandy's not going to be there all next week. So, ugh. Yeah. Friday, what y'all think? Tuesday is the 1st of June. And you know what? I still have not heard from my new winners. I've had 118 views on that video, and the winner still has not come forward. It's like, you know what I think I'm going to do? I think for any of the winners that don't come forward on my giveaways, I'm going to let everything just pile up and put it in boxes. Oh, what are they building there? It's like a parking lot. Put it in boxes. I then will, once I finally hit 1,500 subscribers, which, you know, may take forever because I've been at 14 plus for several years now. If I ever hit a 1,500 subscriber, I'm going to have a huge giveaway. I will have 3 huge giveaways, and they will all be for all the stuff that nobody ever claimed. So it's going to be epic. That's what I'm going to start doing. Yeah. Either that or I'll do a Christmas one at the end of the year for all the unclaimed prizes. What do you guys think about that? My cookie book is still up for grabs. It's I haven't picked a winner on that. That's going to be on the 5th. I'm going to do the drawing for that on the 5th. My cross stitch giveaway of the 2 kits, I'm going to go ahead and extend that one to give more people a chance to get it. And I'm just going to draw everybody on the 5th. I'm going to draw my cross stitch winner, my crochet winner, and my other. I'm going to do all 3. It'll just be a lot easier. We'll just do all 3 the weekend of the 5th. So not this weekend as in today, but next weekend I will have the drawing for all of my giveaways. Now my crochet giveaway, I have not got that posted yet. That will be posted tonight. I kept putting it off and kept running out of running out of space on my phone. So that will be coming up shortly. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to have to pause you guys and get back on here later. Thank you for listening to my nonsense jibber jabber, because there was absolutely no logical or information or knowledgeable information that was given to you guys this morning. I apologize for that. I don't think I'm awake yet. I need my coffee. All right, guys. Whew. I'm going to be about 5 minutes late for work because I had to stop and get my coffee. So I got my coffee, my pickle chips, a banana, my points, $5 and gone. And I got to the register, and I would be kidding it, right on time to work. But I get to the register, and the woman is standing there playing with the back of her phone. Had it broken apart, decided she was going to go ahead and put it all together while I was standing there waiting on her happy butt. This woman is rude anyway. I don't know how she has lasted at Speedway. I really don't. She's, I'm not going to be too late. Maybe 2 minutes. Maybe 2 minutes. I don't see how she's lasted as long as she has, because she's so rude. She thinks she's not. That's what kills me. Every time I've gone in there, I was like standing there going, There was one time I was standing there, and they have a line that you have to stand in, and they tell you, you know, I can help, who's next? It's like an usher line that they have gated off, not gated off, but they have like roped off, and they have like snacks, sort of like if you go to a Walmart gas station where you have to stand in line in between the vending machines and the snack aisles outside, kind of like a, you know, like a row, waiting to pay your gas bill. Anyway, so I'm standing there waiting for her, and I'm waiting, and she's just talking away and just fiddling. This just, like I said, this was another time. And I said, excuse me, which line do I need to go? Which window do I need to go to pay for my stuff? Right here, this first one where I'm at. Okay, so I go over there. She goes, are you in a hurry? I said, I sure am. Thank you for so much for being, you know, Speedway's role model. She is, really? Anyway, it's just like, see, I wasn't gonna get on here until later this afternoon, but I had to get on here. So usually on Fridays, Brandy and I go ahead and get Chinese at Dynasty. They have takeout because they have, you know, quite a few options for someone who doesn't eat meat or dairy. Because they have their sauteed green beans, they have like this vegetable medley, they have their, you know, their steamed white rice. Their lo mein noodles do not have any egg in it. Now their fun mein noodles do, and of course their fried rice does. So I can have that. I don't ever get the noodles though. I usually get, if I get anything, I get the rice, but usually I don't even get the rice anymore because it fills me up too much. They have fried potatoes. They have vegetable egg rolls. And I had to ask about the wraps, because not all wraps are vegan, or rather made without, you know, an egg wash or something like that. But anyway, so yeah, they have quite a bit that you can choose from. I mean, then that's plenty for me. And then there's like the sauteed mushrooms. Dude. So there's plenty to choose from. So yeah, we usually get Chinese on Friday out for lunch. And then that's the time for us to, you know, sit together and catch up. And she actually listens to me run my mouth, because I don't know why she would listen to me run my mouth. Talking. So if you're going to ask, which I don't know if you guys will, I have not gone to the eye doctor yet. I'm still seeing floaters. They're not as bad as they were. And I think it has a lot more to do with the fluid on my eye, because I noticed last night as I was getting tired that it was getting worse. My eye was getting worse. More liquid. It was like getting fogged over. So I would blink really good a few times, and it seemed like it cleared it up a little bit more. And so I'm thinking it's got to be a fluid issue. I don't know. Before you leave a comment and fuss at me, I will go to the doctor. There's supposed to be some kind of free clinic I gotta try to figure out. Now today I will talk to you guys later this afternoon. I'm going to get my second COVID shot. Oh, bosses aren't here yet, but Crystal's here. What's Crystal doing? Oh, that's a boss behind me. That would be a boss behind me. Mr. Kevin. All right. No, I'm sorry. That would be Mr. Jason. I'll see y'all later. Bye.